Wagwan! Welcome, guys. It's hump day. It's Wednesday. Guys, you know, today's a day of release, guys. Release the stress, release the tension, release all your inhibitions, release everything, and just go for it today. Zine, it's a Wednesday morning, and we are here with MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment, where we still give you everything in entertainment and lifestyle everywhere in Ghana and, of course, around the world. Guys, our top stories today. Sarkodie drops a trailer for a new album. Whoa, yo. Hey, what else? What else? Hey, Lucifer breaks Netflix records, guys. You got to watch it. My name is Kevoy B. You don't know how the thing go already? You can follow me at Kevoy B on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, everything. Kevoy B. Z, let's get into our stories now, guys. Now, Sarkodie is building momentum with the release of his next album, No Pressure. Hey, set to drop the 9th of July, fans are awaiting eagerly. Now, Sarkodie has dropped a trailer or interview talking about the upcoming album. And guys, you don't know, say we have that. So let's watch it. Over in Ejura, a town in the Ashanti region of Ghana, the past few days have been heated. A young man was campaigning to fix the country when he was embroiled in a clash with military and shot dead. Now, following that, there's been heavy unrest between the youth and military of the area, resulting in 2 dead and several injured. Jaja. In the wake of it all, several celebrities stood up to condemn the actions and the violence taking place. From Lydia Forson to Manasseh Ejura, they shared their heartbreak at such a situation. Guys, I don't think it's unreasonable for the citizens to be asking for better quality of life. So I don't see why they're being killed. I don't understand. Just fix the country, Chargy. Just fix the country. The people just want a better way. You understand? You understand? I mean, it's a very unfortunate situation, and people are waiting for the official report from the Ghana police. That's been long in coming. Ghana police, we are waiting to hear from you. Cool? We're just waiting. Now, anyway, guys. Now, one of the most controversial youths, and yet never want to back down, Lil Nas X, likes to make a statement for himself. If you say so. Now, the Old Town Road singer has since evolved as a musician and a performer, but he still knows how to ruffle people's feathers. Now, the singer got to perform at the BET Awards, and he did what he does best. How many times can he perform Montero and still get a reaction every single time? Now, during the set, he danced provocatively, kissed a backup dancer who was a male, and all this while dressed in ancient Egyptian attire. And please, guys, viewer discretion is advised. But we have the video right here, so let's see it. Can you imagine that is what is on the TV? That is what is going on. That is what is going on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And all this while dressed as an African. Listen, I'm very upset. I'm very upset. Lil Nas, here's not this. What are you doing? Now, a Twitter user hit back after the performance stating that Lil Nas X was disrespecting African tradition. And not letting that faze him, Nas X just replied stating that homosexuality occurred in Africa as well. You see, I don't have no problem with people's preferences. Why is he so extra on TV? I don't understand. Right, Jesus. Now, anyway, guys, the series Lucifer has had several ups and downs during the 5-season run. Now, the series was initially started with Fox, where it completed its first 2 seasons before being cancelled. Now, after public outcry from fans, it was later picked up by Warner Brothers and Netflix. Oh, yoy. Hey, that's a big deal. And now, 5 seasons down the line, the series is blowing Netflix records. Now, the streaming giant recorded over 1.3 billion minutes streamed during the premiere of the 5th season. Now, this smashed previous viewership records and placed the show top spot worldwide. Whoa. Now, a 6th season had already been approved, and all cast have signed on. And we've got the season 5 trailer, so we don't have no spoilers, but let's take a look. I watched this trailer and I still don't know what Lucifer is about. Somebody please tell me. Thank you, Zane. But anyways, if you like Lucifer, you like watching it, the next season is up and live and ready on Netflix. So go and see it. Zane. Now guys, guess what? We've got some good news again for you. So guys, you don't know if you're a Euro 2020 fan, Zane, Compute Ghana is deciding to do something special for you, or has decided to do something special for you. Now, Compute Ghana is hosting special viewing experiences of the matches. So, no fees, no fine print, just come watch some football and enjoy yourself. Zane, remember we're in the advanced stages, so it gets better and better. Celebrities have been cited at the viewing as well. So head on over and get a chance to watch an intense match and meet a famous face. Zane, and MX reporter Chichi was on the ground yesterday and did a quick video for us. So let's have a look at that.
And yes, it's been football across the world. People are enjoying football from different countries, not just locally within Hearts and Kotoko and all of that. We have the games Euro 2020 on. I'm sure you have your favorite. But let me tell you this, Compute Ghana, as you can see, I'm standing just right in your office. You can see the gadgets, TV sets, washing machines. They are organizing screening for football lovers. If you're a football lover and you want to watch the games, all you have to do, just listen, all you have to do is walk into any Compute Ghana shop, any shop at all across the country, just enter and watch the 4 p.m. matches for free. Today is the second day for this screening, and we have England and Germany playing. And as you can see in the background, there are a number of people watching. They have their predictions. Well, I think I stand with England, but let me hear what other people would say. Let me hear their predictions. I say 1-0 against Germany. Well, let me hear from you. Hi, hello.
Oh.
Well, what's your prediction? Which of the team is your favorite? Which country is your favorite?
Germany, 3-1 against England.
Hey, pressure. He said 3-1 against England. How about you?
3-2
Against
Germany.
Well, I don't know who is winning. I say 1-0, but let's see how it goes. There are a number of people here. We are still at Compute Ghana, specifically at the Spintex branch. And aside that, there are amazing discounts for you. And I'll be bringing you that shortly. Stay tuned. Well, the game is still on. The first half is over. It ended 0-0. But I told you Compute Ghana has a number of discounts. I have Fawaz, who is the branch manager here. Tell me, what's this discount about?
We are doing special discounts in Euro 2020. We have a lot of discounts, an extra 5% discount on all products during the 2020 competition. We have all brands in the showroom. We have LG, Samsung, phones, Infinix, Techno, Samsung, and all brands available in showroom on discounts. TVs, home theaters, laptops, desktops, phones, games, PS5, every product available here. Home appliances and entertainment products as well. Yeah, the promo is going to last till the end of the competition of Euro 2020, and definitely a new promotion will come after the Euro also. So we are always in promo in Compute Ghana.
Well, you have him. Everything here is just on point. But well, the game has continued. Let me see who wins what. England, just as I predicted, just locate any Compute Ghana shop. Come here at 4 p.m. and watch the matches. It's amazing here. It's been interesting so far. And discounts, you enjoy amazing discounts. So shop and watch. And I must say, the products here are top notch. Basically, it's been interesting. My name is Emma Fachichi, and you need to be right here.
Hey guys, remember, go down to Compute Ghana and get what you need to get, dog. It doesn't get any better than this. Chichi, big up yourself. Big up yourself for doing what you did. You see me? Love it. Sane. But guys, go to Compute Ghana. If you're a tech head, if you like gadgets, if you like all of these things, go to Compute Ghana and they have discounts for you. But guys, in the meantime, that's all we have for you today. So don't worry, we come tomorrow. In the meantime, my name is Kev B. This is MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment. Little more, big up yourself.